Hi, today I'll show you how to create this skeleton loading animation in Figma. Before we start, I'd like to ask you to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and develop. Thank you. Also, I'll leave a link to the file with this animation in the description below. Open it and let's get started. First, let's create a component that will play our animation across the entire screen. It's very simple. Create a frame size to match your screen. It will have a fixed width and the height will vary depending on the elements you want to animate. Next, create a rectangle inside the frame and customize it. Adjust the size and gradient. Make sure the frame clips everything outside its boundaries, so apply clip content to it. We need to move the rectangle outside the frame, but in a way that it starts just inside it. Copy the frame and move the rectangle to the opposite side of the frame, also outside its boundaries. Create a component set and an animation. Once the animation is ready, copy the design. We'll need this variant too. Next, you need to place the component on the screen and replace all the elements you want to animate with this component. Simply replace all the content boxes with this component. Once that's done, create a transition animation from one screen to the other and test it. Great work, everything works perfectly. If the video was helpful, leave a like and drop a comment. See you soon.